Okay, now first is equal to second. This first will be become 2. Okay, now second is equal to temp plus second. Temp is equal to 1, temporary value, okay, 1 plus second what 2. So this becomes what 1 plus 2 3. Now next value again loop will be the value stored in first variable, first this variable that will be printed as 2. Now temp is equal to first holds what this value. Now this becomes what temporary holds what 2. Okay, now first is equal to second. This becomes what second, it becomes 3. Now come second is equal to temp plus second. Temp plus second means temporary holds 2 plus second 3, total 5. It becomes 5. Now it prints again first, the value stored in first this variable. So that will be what? That will be 3. 3 will be printed. Okay, next temporary becomes, it holds the first value 3 here. Okay, now first is equal to second. Okay, first is equal to second. First is equal to second means temp is equal to this value, temporary stores here, temporary holds first value 3. Now first is equal to second. First is equal to second. Second means, now this is okay. Second is equal to temp plus second. Temp plus second. The first is equal to second. Now first is equal to second means this will be 5. Means first is equal to second. This 5 will be shifted to here. Now second will be what? Temp plus second. Temp plus this 3 plus second. This becomes 8. 8. Okay. 8. Okay, now next word, the first whatever the variable stores first, this will be 5 will be printed 5. Now what next? Temp is equal to first value 5, temporary it holds 5. Now first is equal to second, so first is equal to second, your first is equal to second, this will be 8. No, this will be 8. Now second is equal to temp plus second. Temp plus second. Temp is equal to 5. So second is equal to 8. 8 plus 5 13. Now print will be taken the first. Okay. Next iteration this value will be printed. That is what 8. 8 will be printed. Okay. Now after that temporary holds the first value, so first value is equal to 8. 8 come here. Now first is equal to second, so now first is equal to second means first is equal to 13. So second is equal to temp plus second. Temporary value 8 plus second 13, so 8 plus 13 21. Okay, now after that this value means 13 will be printed. 13 will be printed. Now temporary is equal to first, this is, it becomes 13. Now first is equal to second, so now first is equal to second, this 21 shifted to here. Okay, it becomes, now second is equal to temp plus second. Second is equal to temp 13 plus second value 21, 34. Now first value will be printed, first is equal to 21, that is 21 will be printed. Now temp is equal to first, 21 shift, this temp becomes 21. Okay, now first is equal to second, so means this first is becomes second value, second holding 34, it becomes 34. Now second is equal to temp plus second. Temp value is equal to 21 plus second 34. 21 plus 34 55. This is 55. So in this manner, now 34 will be, the first will be, this value will be printed 34. So up to this, how many numbers we are getting? 10. For 10, range is equal to user requested for 0 to, initial range is equal to 0 to 10. First iteration 0 will be printed. Second iteration whenever iteration means at second iteration 1 will be printed, third iteration this one will be printed, fourth iteration, how many iteration, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 iterations. Because at that user requesting for up to 10, he is requesting for 10. Okay, user input. So like this we can Fibonacci series can be, Fibonacci series means, as I told you, that initial two values will be there 0 1, after the next number will be the addition of these two numbers. Next number 1, addition of 1 plus 0 1, next number 2, this is, it gets 1 plus 1 2 3, next number will be get by just before two numbers, 2 plus 1 3, 5 will be get just before 5 two numbers, we need to take 3 plus 2 5. Okay, 8 will be get just before of addition of two numbers, 5 plus 3 8. Next this 13 will be get just before the addition of 8 plus 5 13. Next this 21 will be get by addition of these two numbers, 13 plus 8 21. Okay, last number will be 34 will be get by this addition of just before two numbers, 21 plus 13. This is the syntax to get the that is what your